Changing the use of a retail space can delay your restaurant opening. When you walk around your target area looking for a potential restaurant location, you may come across a retail space that looks promising. However, if the space is currently used for retail, converting it into a restaurant can take much longer than expected. Let's break down why this happens, using real examples. Example 1. Current use boutique to restaurant. Good location, clean interior, and a layout that seems workable. After signing a lease with the landlord, you plan to start interior construction. This is generally fine. A boutique does not involve hazardous materials, so the space can be a valid candidate. Example 2. Current use dry cleaner to restaurant. This is where you need to pause. Dry cleaners use chemical solvents, which means possible soil contamination, special ventilation requirements, residual odors or chemical traces. Technically, you can convert it, but it often becomes a time-consuming project. Example 3. Current use gas station to restaurant. A corner lot, great visibility, and plenty of space. But gas stations also involve hazardous materials. You may face underground fuel tanks, soil contamination, strict fire and safety regulations. A good location alone is not enough to justify the risk. Not all retail spaces can become restaurants. Even if conversion is allowed, many municipalities require a minimum number of parking spaces for restaurants. The more popular the area, the stricter the regulations. In contrast, suburban areas tend to have more flexible rules, making conversions easier. Disadvantages: why conversion takes time based on the attached notes. Here are the key drawbacks. Parking requirements may prevent approval. Liquor license approval is uncertain. In the worst case, you may not be allowed to open. All permits must be applied for from scratch. Construction takes longer than expected. Result: opening takes time. Suitable for experienced operators, works best for new restaurants that require heavy build-outs. For people who can work patiently and persistently. Conclusion: choose retail spaces carefully. Retail spaces often look attractive. Good location, reasonable rent, clean interior. But converting them into a restaurant involves time, cost, and regulatory hurdles. Before signing a lease, always evaluate the difficulty of the use change process, the time required for permits, whether the location meets parking and zoning requirements. A smart operator looks beyond the surface and checks the hidden risks. For more tips, please like, share, and subscribe.